Hey guys, reviews and more, back with a quick review. This one's on the Seiko Melodies in Motion clock for 2019. This is, like all my videos, meant to be done under very basic lighting. I'll do a quick unboxing so you can see what it looks like, and I'll give it some quick demonstrations as to what it looks like when it's in operation. As always, please hit the like and subscribe button if you found this video helpful. It really helps out the channel, lets me keep doing these kind of reviews. And without further ado, we can jump right into the review itself and take a look at just the basic features of the clock. Each of these clocks comes with a certain number of Swarovski crystals on there. They're genuine Swarovski crystals. They're very, very shiny, reflect a great deal, so that's what you get when you pay for that. This whole clock's about $100. Eventually you'll see it go on sale for around $80, but that's closer towards the holiday season when they're basically running out of stock and they're trying to get rid of the last couple ones that are left on the shelf. Overall, I would say it's probably a better than average one. We've had 5 of these over a period of time, and this one sounds very nice. Got a good mix of music. Obviously, as they get more and more quick to make and they get more popular, they can spend more money on making them. But this is pretty nice. I like it a lot. It's not my favorite, but it's definitely pretty cool. It's got a lot of different music on there. The big new music they have on this is that Melodies by Seiko has put out their own proprietary music. That's the biggest change that's happened. Other than that, it's about the same kind of music. They have a little bit of that music box style along with just regular electronic sounds at the back of it. And I'll point out now, this is not a mechanical chime. It is a electronic chime. And there in the back you see the volume being adjusted and all the other accoutrements that come along with a standard clock like this. It's all electric. The batteries will run down fairly quickly on these because they are these cheap El Cheapo Maxwell batteries that come with the clock. They'll basically last you long enough to make sure there's nothing wrong with the clock. So you got about a month of use with those batteries, and after that they kind of just go to crap. So you want to make sure you have some backup C-cell batteries to take care of everything else you got to do with it. And we're going to very quickly look at what the actual chimes and everything look like on this clock, just to give you all an idea of what it actually looks like when it's in operation. So right here we can see the clock, the full face of it. This is what it would look like at a distance on your wall. The bottom carousel spins, obviously, and then the top will chime once every hour. I believe it also will be, when you don't have any ability to set this to chime at the half hour, so only go off every hour with a full song. And here we have the carousel up close under some lighting, and it's very, very pretty. Lots and lots of fire from the various pieces of Swarovski crystal. Very, very pretty overall, and just kind of rotates just like that. And here's what the rotation looks like. The rest of the video will just be sampling of the music available, and they'll be labeled at the top of each frame so you can just kind of look at it. Thanks for watching, guys. That's my review. Have a great day.